Hello everyone, welcome to another video by MZ Creative Studio. I am Zahid and in today's video you will learn how to install the Alessi WooCommerce Ajax WordPress theme. It's quite popular theme on ThemeForest and the current version of the theme is 3.6.2 and it has also nearly 2000 sales. Last update is 23rd June 2020 and it's also on sale these days, so it's quite a good theme for this price, $29, if you can get on the sale price. So first of all I will show you the demo. We can remove the frame to properly see the layout. So this is the main demo of the theme, first main default demo. You can see here, first is the some tagline you can enter, or mostly people enter here about the free delivery and shipping stuff. This is for the multi languages support, so you can install the WPML plugin which is for multilingual websites, and then you can use the widget here. You have the currency conversion here and the order tracking link, and the best thing is the login and registration form of this theme. If you click this link, you can see here the user gets a nice login or sign up form on the current screen instead of the default WordPress and WooCommerce behavior where users click the login link and they are redirected to the account page of the website. So, and you can see here a nice close effect as well, and it has also support for the social login. You can see here users can log in through the Facebook or the Google account. This is slider we have. This is a nice slider. You can add your slides in it, and this section is for the products, so they are featuring here the movement category. So different types of layouts can be created easily using this theme. This is the men category, as you can see, and these are some of the widgets they have included, like the best selling items, top rated items, and the on sale products. These are some of the brands they have products for on the market, so you can add all the brands you are selling products of here or any other brands you have. This is the footer of the website. So there are also many other demos that you can see. I will provide you the link to this page of this theme in the description below, so please make sure to click that link and see all the demos of the theme. So without wasting any time, let's install this theme. I have already downloaded the package from my ThemeForest account and I can show you here. I have unzipped the package. So we have also a complete website of Duplicator. Duplicator is a WordPress plugin for moving sites from one hosting to another. So if you just place all these files they have provided, this zip file and the installer, and access your website by following documentation of the Duplicator plugin, you will easily be able to install everything they have here in the demo site. So the site will exactly be copied to your web hosting. Okay. So, but in this video, I am going through some manual process of installing the theme and also installing the child theme and showing you different theme options like how to import the demo. This is our main theme zip file and this is the child theme. First we will install this Alessi theme zip file. This is the main theme file. So I have already installed a fresh WordPress on my hosting, and you have to go to the themes, appearance, themes, and add new. Click upload theme button, then choose the file. You can also just drag this file onto the choose file button and it will make it selected. And once the file is selected, you see here the zip file name. Just hit the install now button. You can see below the file is uploading. You can see at the bottom left corner that the file is uploading. Okay, our theme is installed now. You can just go and click the activate link here. Our theme is activated now. Now we can just go and also install the child theme. I'm gonna click add new button again, upload the theme. Child theme also installed. Press the activate link again, and that's it. So now our theme installation part is done. We have to install next the plugins. You can click this link, begin installing plugins. You can select all the required plugins. If you don't need Contact Form 7, you can just hit uncheck this one. I'm gonna install all the plugins, so I'm going to select all the plugins. Click install, apply. So all the plugins I have been installed. Now we need to activate the plugins. I'm again gonna check all the plugin items and I'm going to activate these. You can also activate each plugin one by one. So you see the notice the following plugins were activated successfully. So that's it. We can just reload our website. And now I can also visit the website, so you can see visit site. Here you go. Our theme is installed successfully and is working nicely here. You can see cart is active, my account. You have the wish list, compare products and the search bar. You can also set up the WooCommerce. Just hit this button and follow the information listed there. It will simply ask you for about your store location and the countries you sell to and which payment methods you would like to activate on your website, right? So let's go to the Elastic theme options to show you what options it offers. We go to appearance and you see NASA theme options. Appearance, NASA theme options. NASA theme is the company which sells this theme. If you can see here as well on the theme forest, this company sells this theme, so they have the NASA theme options here. So the first option is what you need, import demo content. This will import the everything your website needed to make it exactly like the demo site. So to copy exact demo site, simply you will click this import demo content button. First I want to show you some of the options it offers. You see here the site layout. You can make the site as box layout, or the default option is the wider layout or full width layout. You can see all options here. These are easy to understand. Once you will read the descriptions out, you will understand what an option means. They also provide, you see, a nice coming soon maintenance mode, so you can simply hit this on and you will enter your coming soon title, description, and you can also add your logo image here, and you don't need to worry about using any plugins for the maintenance. The next tab is the logo and favicon, which will have our logo and the retina logo, logo height on mobile devices, and the logo in sticky header. And you have the favicon field as well. You can upload here the favicon, and you can also click the remove button to remove the existing image and then upload the new one. Then we have the header and footer options. You can choose a header layout. You can just go through all these options and make it according to your website requirements, or you can also select different types of colors for your branding or website branding. And fonts, you have breadcrumb, blog, newsletter, pop-up. It is also included inside the theme. You can see here all the different options provided within the pop-up module here. So you can just go through all these options on your own. If you have any questions, just leave them in the description below and I will answer as soon as possible. I'm going to now install the demo content without any delay. So just go to the general and click this big blue button, import demo content. It gives you warning that importing demo content will give you pages, posts, theme options, widgets, sidebars, and other settings. This will replicate the live demo. Please make sure you have WooCommerce plugins installed and activated to receive that portion of the content. Clicking this button will replace your current theme options and widgets. It can also take a minute to complete. So depending upon your hosting speed, it could take 5 to 10 minutes. So I would recommend you to use some fast hosting so you don't have any issues regarding the PHP version or the slow speed or the max execution time of the scripts. So I am going to just click the OK button to proceed with the demo content. You can see here the status of the demo import. Congratulations, we have a message that demo data successfully imported. Please refresh your site and click save all changes NASA theme options. So I am going to just refresh the page and I am going to click the save all changes button here. Options updated, and now just go to your website and just reload it. And here you go, you have the complete demo imported into your WordPress website. Because the images are premium, they have purchased the licenses for, so they don't provide these images inside the demo. So that's why we see here that only the placeholder images here. But all the theme options and everything is successfully uploaded to your hosting. You can just simply go and edit things in the website. If I can show you the home page, I go to edit page. Click backend editor. And here we have the WP Battery Builder with all our modules included. So first we have the Revolution slider here. then the product section, and you can go through all these things. You can just go over and change the wordings according to your website and requirements you need. And for the header, you see we have here header builder. You can just build up your header here and then choose it from the theme options, and also the footer builder here, so you can just go in and create or use any existing footer layouts and select the layout from the NASA theme options where I showed you previously the header and footer option. And for the products, you can just go to the products and you can add your products inside this area. You can just edit the prices, you can add your images, and there is a good documentation out there for the WooCommerce plugin. So if you don't know how to use WooCommerce, you can just go to the woocommerce.com website or search about the WooCommerce documentation. It will really help you to easily get started with the WooCommerce plugin. And you see a little star here, this is for the featured products. So if you would like to make any product featured, you just hit this star icon. So this product is not featured right now, but these are all featured products. And similarly, you have all the WooCommerce options here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. My subscribers are very less at the moment, so I would really want you guys to help me get more subscribers so I can grow my channel. And if you need any help, please make sure to just leave a comment in the description. I answer all comments at this moment, so don't worry about that. You will not receive a reply. You will receive a reply for anything you ask. So just make sure to leave a comment if you have any problems, or you can also contact me through my website directly. I have my website here, malikzahidiqbal.com. I will leave the link of my website in the description. You can just go to the contact page of my website and privately send me a message if you have any issue. And the MZ Creative website is our company website where we sell the child themes of Divi for now, but we are looking forward to making more Shopify products as well, Shopify themes and the stand-alone WordPress or WooCommerce themes. And also we have some ideas to launch the Evalda theme. You must have heard about that. It's a very popular theme on ThemeForest. So we are also thinking to launch a child theme of Evalda, and similarly for some other themes. So just go into my website contact page and you can privately send me a message if your demo is not working or you have any other queries. You can please make sure to send the website URL if you have any issues, so I can just check from my end that you haven't missed anything during the import process. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will get back to you with cool videos soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.